Good morning. Can you
Mm.
hear me?
Yes, I
Okay.
can hear you.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. So today, let us have. Okay. By the way, I would like you to listen the track first, or we're gonna have Unit 13. Okay. Are you in the work? Oh. Okay.
No, no, no. Today, uh, I'm sick. I'm sick, and my daughter is my daughter is
Uh-huh.
with me.
Oh,
Wait
wait,
for
wait.
me.
Okay. What happened to your daughter?
My daughter got burned.
Got sick?
Burned. No,
Got sick?
uh, uh, let me got burned. There.
Clear. Ah, got
Burned.
burned. Why? Got
Uh,
burned.
I take I take her I take her to school. By motorbike.
And then?
Then dance. There is a motorbike behind there is a motorbike behind my motorbike. Um, my daughter is uh, such
Ah,
such such a that motorbike.
okay. Touch the motorbike.
Mm.
Okay. And she was burned. Oh, so sad.
That such a the exact tip of the motorbike.
Uh-uh.
Such a the exact type of the motorbike.
Oh, yeah, I understand. And then how is she now? How is she?
Uh, very very đau là gì vậy?
Oh, she cried a lot.
Painful à?
It is painful. It is painful.
Painful. Let
Okay,
me
so
let me.
13.
I have a send you the photo of my daughter. Hello mom, đi đánh răng gì mà đi đánh răng rồi mà
I see.
không gọi anh Hải dậy hay anh em đi một đồ sáng. Con cầm cho mẹ cái sạc vào đây nữa.
Ah, wait, ha. I could not see it yet. Oh, very big.
Ừ.
Very big.
Đấy.
Oh, this
So I
really
I
hurt.
don't that that's why I don't go to work. That's why I don't go to work and take care her at home.
To the hospital.
Mm.
Okay.
Now, now she can take off. Now she
Now
can take
she's
off.
okay. She's okay.
It's okay, and but but she can she can go to school, and I yes I don't go to work and take care her at home.
Okay, that's good. Okay, at least that's okay. Okay. So Miss Hoyan, let us have here our business English. We have here. Okay, 12. Are we in 12? Job compatibility.
Compatibility.
Yeah, 12. Unit 12.
Mm. Be repeat.
Are we in Unit 12?
Khả năng phân tích. I know.
Okay. This open.
Let me open my book.
Okay, yes, yes. Yeah.
Yeah, you are school. You are at school, right?
I am in school. Mhm.
Okay, let me read. Read the text, right? Job
Please
compare.
read the text about job compatibility.
Okay. Job compatibility. Thank you for talking our job compatibility test. Please read stories in the role below.
Mhm.
We run or we run. I don't know how to pronounce it. Pronounce
Where? Conventional?
no, we run or we don't.
Wait,
We run.
where is it? Okay, this one. Thank you for taking our job compatibility tests. Please read your results below. According to our test, you have conventional personality type. This type
We run.
you like to order and as a work result, you work in organized environment.
We run.
Okay, an office is a good place for you to work. The following occasions are best suited for conventional personality. Okay, where is this one?
I
The f-
I mean how to
re-
pronunciation how to how
pronounce.
to how to pronounce rerun rerun.
Rerun? What word is one? What word?
Bây giờ no re
This
rerun.
one. Results. Results.
I don't know.
Results. Results.
uh, I can pronounce rerun exactly this word.
Ah, you cannot pronounce the
No,
word results. That's re and zo. Results. Results.
resort
Okay, that's results. You have the
don't
results.
you have resort
Oh, that one, that one. Okay, results.
resort. Mm.
Okay,
Ai,
according to our test.
okay, let me read. Uh, thank you for taking. Thank you for thank you for taking our compatibility test. Please read the results below. According to our test, you have a adult conventional personality type. This means you like to have order in the life. As a result, you work better in organized environment. An office is a good place for you to work. The following occupations are best suited
Suited. Suited. Suited.
suited for conventional personality.
Very good.
Personality, accountant, bank,
Mm-hmm.
factory worker, but these occupations tend to practice conventional personality.
Mm.
Teacher, person. Remember that more to adopt than how much you earn. Choose an occupation that suits you.
Okay, choose. You have to read it as choose.
choose an
Okay.
occupation you.
That will suit you. Okay, very good. Suit, okay, occupations, that will suit you. Okay, great job. Okay, choose occupation. So we have here job compatibility. Okay, Miss Huyen, what is the education that you finished in the university? Are you in business?
Hmm?
Business. Are you in business? Business.
Yes, yes. I
Okay.
am. My major is when I was student. My major is business administration.
Okay, business administrations. You finished business administrations. Okay. So, and of course, we have your accountant, doctor, factory. These occupation tend to frustrate conventional personality. So you are in the business. So you are in the marketing, right? Marketing.
So,
And you're not in the field
uh,
of marketing?
that I actually I have a learning marketing marketing subject, but it's not too much.
Okay, but don't have it's too much. Okay, very good. Okay, so but then at least you have business and marketing quite interrelated with each other. Okay, let us have this. So look at
Una
this.
hanapan ini siapa ya?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, so we have accountant, factory worker and designer, banker. How about designer in your country? Is it a good job? Designer in your
design
country. Yeah, designer. Is it a good job?
that designer is a good job uh, in my country. Uh, no, uh, I have a friend. I have a friend uh, who is a designer designer, but that is but her income is not high. It's not high. It's not high. But I also have a designer man. A designer man. He has a very high income. So
Uh-huh.
I think designer is a good job, but income depend on their their trình độ theo trình độ lên 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 theo level
Their level. Okay. The income depends on their level. Okay, I understand.
their
Okay.
income depends on their level.
Okay, income depends on their level. Okay, so that's it. So we have here now. Before, okay, please read get ready. Please read get ready.
Ừ.
Get ready. Please read get ready.
Ừ. Ok,
Mhm.
get ready.
Number one, number one.
Number one, what kind of dogs matches our personality? Why personality? Personality is mm,
What kind of job match your personality, Miss Huyen? Why? Do you think? Example, you are not a business graduate. Oh. What kind of job match your personality and why? Example ha, example, you are not a business management graduate. Okay. So what do you think will personality that will match your personality? The job that match your personality.
And actually, I have a work as many different positions, such as
Mm-hmm.
management, purchasing, planning,
Mm-hmm.
production, product, production planning, manager assistant, uh,
Mm-hmm.
imported and importer,
Mm-hmm.
importer,
And
and teachers. Uh, but I think I work as a teacher is doable for me. Uh, but I have no opportunity uh, to come back the school uh, to learn uh, to learn master degree. To
okay,
learn master
to master the degree.
that I have no time opportunity to come back to school to learn a master degree.
Mm-hmm.
So now I can work as a teacher.
Mm-hmm.
But I hope, but I hope after finish English course, I will I will go to school for to learn master degree.
Wow, really? This August? This August?
That's my plan. My plan in the future is after finish English course, I will come back to school to study master
Master's
degree.
degree. Wow, very good. Okay. So when will you going back master's degree? August?
No, in my future because English course will be finished will be finished for 2 years for 2 years.
Then after that, you will have master's degree.
That that is my plan.
Wow. So you have
Because
plan.
because I'm 36. I'm 36. I'm 36. Uh, I feel business go to go for business work is not suitable for me, and I like I like teaching children in
Oh, you
Chinese.
love to teach children again.
That's
Oh, that's great. Okay, you love to teach
because
children
my
again.
goal. That's because my goal is teach my children Chinese well, also is English. So so I just want to to learn English well.
Okay. Yeah, I understand. Oh, you want to learn English well first, and then after that, you will have your master's degree. That's it.
That's
Okay, that's good plan. That's good plan. Okay, very good, Miss Rian. Two. Number two, please read.
if I work I if I work as a teacher, I have so I can arrange my time. I can arrange my time and to take care and to feed my baby.
Okay, yes, correct. Yeah, I understand. You can arrange your time, and of course, you can have more time for your children.
Đấy, đây đi mua con gà lấy từ vì khi đi mua đồ ăn. Why why
Okay, what kind too?
I have a good good kind of things, but kind of those are not a good match for the personality. Why not?
Okay, what kind of job are not good match for your personality?
I think it's Laura. Đi mua bánh mít
Lawyer, lawyer,
Laura. Đúng này.
lawyer, lawyer.
Laura, that's Laura.
Yeah, yeah. Why? Why you think lawyer is not good for your personality?
À, đi ra mua bánh cuốn chả gì nữa. Mua bánh cuốn cân đi con.
Because
Um, lawyer,
hmm,
lawyer, and gì nhá?
lawyer.
Ừ. Uh, because I'm afraid of facing criminal.
Ah, you're afraid to face criminal. That's why you don't like to be a lawyer. Okay. So if you will be a lawyer, you need to have more guts to defend, more guts to defend those criminals. Okay, that's you need to have more guts. Okay, I'm afraid of facing criminal. You're afraid to face
Afraid of
criminals.
criminal.
Yeah, you're
I'm
afraid to
afraid
face.
of criminal.
Okay, you didn't like it. You didn't like to
Yes,
face criminals.
yes.
Okay. Okay, that I understand. I understand. Okay. So next. So we have vocabulary. We have vocabulary. Sorry, Miss Oyen. Oh, sorry. I cannot move properly here. Okay. So now vocabulary. Please try to match 1 to 6 with a definition that you think is correct about your job.
Okay, a self, um, uh,
Content. Finger again.
okay, a person who sells product, uh, that is salesperson.
Hmm.
And, we will start, with a person who sells product, it, they are salesperson.
Okay, salesperson 15. Salesperson. Okay, correct. Next, letter B.
Letter B, a person who educates others, teacher,
Correct.
and a person who assembly products, factory worker,
Okay, correct. Very good.
and a person who organize fi- financial records. Accountant.
Okay. Who organizes financial records? It's the what? Accountant?
Accountant.
Yes, correct.
And a person who says how something looks. Designer.
Something looks. Person shape how something looks. That is designer. Okay. Next.
And a person who works in in financial in financial in insti ano
Institutions.
institution
Institution.
institutions bank like
Very good, bank clerk. Because there's already financial institutions. It's bank clerk. Okay. So where are you aligned out of this? You are aligned in where? Not bank, right? Accountant. You are aligned in accountant. Okay. So we have here. Okay. Please try to put number 4, Miss Uyan, number 4. Please check
number four.
next to the, okay, please read.
Next the response that's the answer to this question. Do you consider compatibility an important part of picking a career? That
Compatibility. What
is
do you mean by compatibility?
compatibility is that is uh, the
A
the
or B?
ability that compatibility is mean express the ability to match this work that work.
Okay, yeah. Compatible. It means compatible. Match. Match.
That
Compatible. Okay. Now, question. Do you consider compatibility an important part of picking a career? A or B? What is your answer for this? Check
uh,
the
now
response that
I
answers the
think
question.
that feeling compatible work is a big deal.
Okay, correct. Very good. Compatibility for you? Yes. Feeling comfortable at work
That
is a big
company for you
deal.
feeling comfortable at work is a big deal.
Okay, correct. Yes, correct. Yeah, right? Right.
Okay, that's the one to meet in Mr. Paris office later.
Office.
Mm,
The underline word is office.
that
What do you think is the
that
correct
he
response?
says that correct answer is A. That he says to be there at
3.
3 o'clock.
Okay, correct. Yes, she said to be there at 3 o'clock. Okay, 4, 3, sorry, number 3.
Mm. Robert needs a quiet environment to study and where can he go? And I think the I think the my quiet environment to study and what can he do? Um, I think I think correct answer is A. A
Okay,
answer the library is broad, heavy is the past the late. That
okay.
because about the library is a very high place. Is it is a still able for students studying.
Yes. Quiet environment is library, right? Correct. 4. What
Four.
is
What is your father occupation? Occupation. I don't know occupation. That's what does it mean?
occupation? Is job, work.
Work.
Yes, work or job, occupation.
Occupation. He is a salesman at a large store.
He's a salesman at a large store.
He's a salesman at a large store. Oh, wait for a minute. Hello? Okay, sorry. Sorry. To come back my. You are mute.
Okay? Okay, so number 4.
Number four, my answer is B. He's a salesman at the large store.
Father's occupation. The answer is
He's a salesman at a large store.
okay. Occupation. So the occupation is salesman. Do you know salesman?
That's a salesman, a saleswoman is the
Salesman and saleswoman. Salesman, saleswoman, the same. Okay.
and that's the
Salesman, saleswoman, the same.
that salesman is also a person who but it is cái gì nhỉ? Giới tính là gì nhỉ? Nam. Okay, he's a man.
Who offers sales? Offers sales. That's salesman. Okay. So here, we have the dialogue here. So again, so you have to choose speaking Miss Huyen with a partner, act out the roles based on the dialogue. Okay, so use language such as personality like, what kind of application is right for you. Okay, please read letter A, student A.
What is your personality like? What kind of occupation is right for you? You have a this student life. You have a taken of those compatibility test. Talk to student B about personality type. Those recommendations. Draw reaction. Choose a personality type. Make up of a personal detail. You send to the
Hey, can you do that? You have taken a job compatibility test. Talk to student B about, okay, example, you are student A. You will not talk me, I am student B. Personality, your job recommendations, and your reaction for the jobs. Okay, please talk to me. I am student B.
I have been a lot. How to talk this how to talk this topic.
You
Okay,
have
I
to
would
talk.
like
Yeah, go, go,
uh
go, go.
you. I would like to share you uh, my my occupation. My occupation that I smoke like that is Chinese teacher. The that that's the Chinese teacher. Uh, the reason the reason I smoke like smoke like this book because I want to teach many children learn learning well learning well Chinese because they will have many opportunity in work in the future in the future because there are many there are many China Taiwan uh company have a đầu tư have a, have invested
Invested.
have a in that have a invested um have invested their business their business in Vietnam. So
Mm-hmm.
so they will hai they will tuyển dụng là gì nhỉ? Hai à? They will hai they will recruitment recruit đó Re- recruit they will recruit many Chinese employee uh, no, many employees that can speak Chinese. I think when I work a teacher, I can inspire of other the other. I can I can inspire of inspire inspire of the other and can share to my students about life about of the opportunity and share with them how to balance work and their life to release the stress and can share them own uh, own thing that I know and share them own thing that I know.
Yeah, I understand. So personality type, your job recommendations, and then your reaction. So what will be the reactions? Your reaction is when if you will be given a job that will not suit to your personality. Example, a lawyer. So you will be given opportunity to be a lawyer. So what will be your reaction then?
Mm.
So what will be your reaction if given the chance to have a job offer and that it will not suit your personality?
Mm.
Are you happy? What will be your first reaction?
Reaction uh, I think I should uh I think I like to work as a pro- production planning, uh, production planning, and I like to arrange all things for the other to um, to do. to do that. You
Again,
are mute.
again.
I like to rent on a work
Ah,
on, on work to other people to do for other people to do.
okay. So you will gonna arrange a work for other people to do it.
To do it.
Uh-uh.
That uh beside I have a management ability uh management ability and mm, and plan and uh, plan plan the, on the work of the factory and I most like through through contact with customers as well. So I think production planning is still favorable for me.
Yeah. Okay, the learning is okay. So I know that when you have particular job, and then you need that is compatible for your example, it's not compatible for you. You have to study more about the job, like teaching. You're a teacher before, but you want to improve. So you will gonna enroll in the master's degree.
Mm, yes,
Okay, that's it. That's better. Okay. So that's it for you. Okay. So Miss Kuyan, I will let you listen one listening skill. Wait.
you are mute. You, you are mute.
Yeah, yeah. Wait, Mika. I am playing with that. Okay, ready? This lesson.
Track 3.
Okay, please listen.
Hi, Paul. When did you get back?
Last night, about 10 o'clock.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I had a great time. I went whale watching, visited the opera house, and I sat on the beach.
Wow, that sounds great. How did you get there? By plane?
No, I drove.
Really? That's a long drive from Melbourne. Did you stop on the way?
Yes, I stopped in Canberra for one night.
Where did you stay?
Well, I have some family there, so I stayed with them. They showed me around. It was really good fun. How about you, Megan? Did you have a good holiday?
No, I had a boring time at home. I just watched films and ate junk food.
Okay, so what do you think it talks about? Can you hear it? One more. Okay, one more.
Track 3.
Hi, Paul. When did you get back?
Last night, about 10 o'clock.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I had a great time. I went whale watching, visited the opera house, and I sat on the beach.
Wow, that sounds great. How did you get there? By plane?
No, I drove.
Really? That's a long drive from Melbourne. Did you stop on the way?
Yes, I stopped in Canberra for one night.
Where did you stay?
Well, I have some family there, so I stayed with them. They showed me around. It was really good fun. How about you, Megan? Did you have a good holiday?
No, I had a boring time at home. I just watched films and ate junk food.
Okay, so what do you think it talks?
There are two person, a man and a woman. They are discussing. They are talking about their vacation time.
They are discussing about vacations.
That's a vacation time.
Okay, their vacation time. Okay, so
Track
according
3.
here, in the truck tree, there is
Hi,
this
Paul.
family,
When did you get
Paul
back?
and
Last night, about
Mm,
10 o'clock.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah,
like
I had a
husband and
great
wife.
time. I went whale watching, visited the opera house, and I
Mm-hmm.
sat on the beach.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that sounds great. How did you
Mm-hmm.
get there? By plane?
No, I drove.
Really? That's a long drive from Melbourne. Did you stop on the way?
Yes, I stopped in Canberra for one night.
Where did you stay?
Well, I have some family there, so I stayed with them. They showed me around. It was really good fun. How about you, Megan? Did you have a good holiday?
No, I had a boring time at home. I just watched films and ate junk food.
Okay. So Megan and Paul are talking to each other. Are they happy or no? So Megan is not happy while Paul is.
Mm, she has a boring vacation time at home.
Mm. Okay. Paul is having a very boring time. Okay, so Megan, but no, Paul is happy because he's actually having a good time. While Megan is having a very boring time.
Yes. A man,
Okay.
a man had a very great vacation time, and and they stay he is stay
Mm-hmm.
with his family for his vacation time. So
Yeah.
he very happy.
Yes, correct. Yes, correct, Miss Lian. Okay, so of course, I guess they are not husband and wife, they're just friends. Or maybe office mates. What do you think? Correct, yes? So they are office mates or probably a friend. So Miss Lian, for now, I think we don't have enough time. So when can we see each other again? Monday. Are you up on Monday?
Okay, Monday.
Monday. Okay for you? Same time.
That's 8 o'clock because I need to 8 o'clock at least at least 8 o'clock because I need to take my baby to go to school.
Ah, okay. So with me, huh?
Not a deal. That's
Okay,
not a
okay.
deal.
Yeah, yes. Yeah. Okay, so wait me. Like, how about Monday, like 7 o'clock? Are you okay? Evening, 7 p.m.
No. From I talked to you. I told you. I told you from August. From August, I will come back home. I will come back school for study. So uh, I can, ask with you at evening as
Ah, you're having evening
um
class in school.
that,
Mm-hmm.
and uh, I uh, I just can I just can have a class Thursday
Evening.
that Thursday evening.
Mm.
Fix.
Yeah. You told me this is our schedule. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. Thursday evening, 7 p.m. and
Thursday
Friday night.
evening at 7 p.m. or 8 p.m.
Ah, Thursday, 7 p.m.
Okay, Thursday 7 p.m.
Mm-hmm. Friday, 9 p.m.
No.
Oh, Friday,
Thursday
8
7.
a.m.
No. I come back to work. It's not fixed on work day. Saturday 7 p.m. is fixed.
Oh, you tell me your schedule, Miss Hoyan. Okay? Please tell me. Just message me in the chat. Yeah, correct.
It was the one class, the other class. I think
Mm-hmm.
I will arrange
Okay, please arrange your schedule and tell me, huh?
that. Then with you flexible.
Okay, yes, yes. Okay. You tell me your schedule and I will match.
Like the flexible when we are free.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So Thursdays, fix 7 p.m. and okay, yes, yes. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, 7 p.m. fix and then you tell me Friday if you're okay in the morning. Okay, Amy, morning 8 a.m. is okay.
Because the other class I can't speak because it depend on my work plan.
Okay.
And that and my children will come back school come back to
Oh, oh.
school.
Oh, very early. I thought September.
That
Early?
come back to school, so that's early. So so I need to teach
You need to be mothering. You need to
that
have mothering session.
that
Mother, motherhood.
that's
Uh,
that's
um,
correct.
okay, you tell me, Miss Uyan, when you will be free, okay? So Thursday fixed, and if you are free Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday morning, you tell me, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Hi.
Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher.
Oh, good morning.
Đây,
How are
mẹ
you?
mở ra cho con chào.
Be shy. Okay, bye bye, Miss Uyan. Hello.
Hello. Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher. My
Yes, good
name
morning. How are you?
is I'm 5 years old.
Are you okay now?
Con cảm thấy thế nào bây giờ? How are you? I'm happy to meet
Oh,
you. Honey,
how old are
I'm
you?
happy to meet you. I'm happy to meet you.
How old are you?
How are you? Yeah. I'm 9 years old.
Oh, 9 years old. Do you know how to speak English?
I
Do you know how to
speak
speak
English.
English?
I can speak English. I can speak English. A little
Oh,
bit.
really? Little bit.
A little bit.
Hey, shy Miss Uyen.
Say goodbye, teacher. Goodbye,
Goodbye.
teacher.
Bye bye. Okay, bye Miss Uyen. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
bye bye. Thank you so much for today.
Okay, thank you. Okay, God bless. Be safe always. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.